Hi, very quick and easy teardown today. This Svena Bodenseewerk Smith Industries FAC ATS engine unit. So we have obviously 3 different brands on this label, but it seems to be made by Svena in France. Serial number 19, made in 1981, and it looks like this. Controls for pitch trim, yaw damper and ATS with on and off positions, but you can see they will not remain latched in on position, these switches, so probably they are electrically activated. On the back we have warranty stickers from Garuda Indonesia company and 2 very large connectors. So actually it came with the stickers intact, and I did figure out the top sticker has no screw behind it, which is super weird. Why they did repair it in the shop. They did put the warranty sticker but did not bother place a screw here, and here this did not bother place one of their sticker over the original Svena warranty sticker. Okay, so what do we have in here? I hope we will have nice electronics, considering the number of connections on the connectors. I hope it will not be an empty box. Ta-da! Okay, actually we just have the switches by themselves, and I did already see these switches into Fokker 27 panel. I did take apart in another video, I believe. They are called the magnetic hold-on toggle switch. 27 volts. So probably somewhere there is contacts, you will power on and it will keep. And I believe they might be the 2 ones here. They will keep activated electrically. So maybe it is a function, if a system fails, the button will go back at the off position also. Okay, apart from this, just 2 interconnect boards with diodes, probably for the coils of the buttons, if they are electromagnets. Serial number 110 and 124 on these boards, oddly enough. And it is all. You can see they are not all exactly the same, these switches. But I cannot see because of the wire harness if the model number is the same or not exactly, but these 2 ones have a different body color at least. Quite weird. We will just have a quick look at what we have behind the front panel also. It will be super fast, just 4 screws to undo. I do not expect a lot. So, I was hoping more electronics in this thing, but you never know what you will get. It happens. To get, at least it is complete, it is not missing parts, like it did already occur. Okay. And just here, little PCB with little bulbs, and it is all. So not my best item, definitely. Nice work here around the connectors, as you can see, as they did secure them with these metal plates. And very, actually, for a French made thing. Ah no, excuse me, it is made in England, yes. I was thinking rebranded by Sfena, which is a French company, and by Bodense Work, which is German, but with an address in France, but finally made in Cheltenham, England. And yes, when you see this pink heat shrink, you know it is made in England. Okay. On provision here for 2 more devices which were not populated. Interesting. So this, I do not know what I will do with this thing. It might end on eBay or end in parts because it is really not in good condition and not that interesting, sadly. I hope the next teardown will have more interesting electronics because this is quite a disappointment. So, thanks for watching, bye bye.